Thank you very much. John has been frequent visitor, and in our circle we call John as Pakistani because he has been visiting so frequently in difficult times, and there have been many people advising him that the environment is not good, it is very dangerous, but still he has been visiting Pakistan. So that proves his faith in discrediting the negative people. So this is one of the picture we had taken with John, where he was delivering a seminar and also visited Sitara Chemical. Then I must appreciate and thank John for establishing Center of Excellence in Companies here in Pakistan. This is a unique facility, I would say, in all over the world, because it is an industry standard center of excellence which has been established at National Textile University, and John has been one of the key contributors in donating the equipment, arranging and convincing the Gardner Denver, now Ingersoll, that this is important for Pakistan and the university as well as industry. So, John, can you share some thoughts on this Center of Excellence, please?
Mr. Ali, I was very privileged to be at the inauguration ceremony in Faisalabad, where the whole of the AIIA program was really being launched, and I remember stating at the time that, you know, for the businesses to succeed, the most important thing is education, as one of the prime ministers in the UK once said. And so, you know, for Ingersoll Rand to be a part of this centre of excellence, and for our company to be able to donate, you know, some products, it is I think a small step in what will hopefully be a very well used part of the courses that you offer. And if the students who pass through there learn a little bit more and understand a little bit more, then they will be better served to add value to whatever industry they may go to, and ultimately, if the industries can succeed, then that in itself will help the country and help the general population. So, you know, I don't want to overstate it, but you know, education is the key. It's the only thing, in my opinion, that really matters. And you know, given the situation we're in today, we maybe have to learn in a different way. So I hope that the students enjoy the facility. I hope they have fun, and I hope that they learn something as well from it.
Thank you very much. Actually, compressed air is a subject which is very understood, but it hit very badly as far as the energy consumption in the industry is concerned, and I'm sure this will add a lot of value to industry in Pakistan.